Hello everybody, this is Mr. Kimball with another screencast for Life Science. In this lesson, we're going to learn about a type of cell division called meiosis. Recall that cells have a cell cycle, which is a repeating set of events in a cell's life that includes interphase and cell division. During interphase, the cell grows and replicates its DNA. Then, there is a process of cell division. During cytokinesis, the cytoplasm and organelles divide. The nucleus can divide by mitosis or by meiosis. Gametes are haploid, meaning they have half the number of chromosomes as the original mother cell. They must be haploid so that when a sperm cell fertilizes an egg cell, the resulting zygote has a full set of chromosomes, half from the sperm cell and half from the egg cell. You get half of your chromosomes, or DNA, from your mom and half from your dad. During mitosis, a diploid mother cell splits into two diploid daughter cells through the phases of prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. In meiosis, a diploid mother cell divides into four haploid daughter cells. These daughter cells are gametes, or sperm and egg cells. Meiosis is similar to mitosis in that the names of the phases are the same. We still have prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. What's different is that each of those phases happen twice. Meiosis 1 is the first division of the cell. That means that we start with one cell and end up with two. The goal of meiosis 1 is to break up pairs of homologous chromosomes. So what are homologous chromosomes? These are a pair of chromosomes where one comes from each parent. Recall that you have 23 pairs of chromosomes, or 46 total. Each pair is homologous. They code for the same genes, but they have different sequences of DNA, which is why everyone looks different. So now let's learn the phases of meiosis 1. Meiosis 1 starts with prophase 1. In this phase, homologous chromosomes pair together in the nucleus. In metaphase 1, there is no nucleus, and the homologous chromosomes line up next to each other at the equator of the cell. In anaphase 1, the homologous chromosomes are pulled to opposite ends of the cell by spindle fibers. In telophase 1, two new cells form, each with one of each chromosome. Meiosis 2 is the second division of the cell. In this part of meiosis, we start with the two cells that formed during meiosis 1 and end up with four cells. The goal of meiosis 2 is to break up the sister chromatids and end up with cells that are haploid. Meiosis 2 starts with prophase 2. In this phase, chromosomes made of two sister chromatids are in the nuclei, which are dissolving. New spindle fibers start to form from the centrioles. In metaphase 2, each chromosome lines up at the equator of each cell. The spindle fibers attach to the centromeres of the chromosomes. In anaphase 2, the sister chromatids that formed each chromosome split at the centromere and are pulled to opposite sides of the cell by the spindle fibers. Each sister chromatid is now its own chromosome. We now have 4 chromosomes in each cell. The last stage is telophase 2. 4 new cells form, each with a set of chromosomes, which in this example is 2. Yours would have 23 in each cell. This again is how sex cells or gametes form. We started with 1 diploid cell and ended with 4 haploid cells. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.